Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to add mobile signature in Gmail. So okay guys, if you add a mobile signature in your Gmail, your every single email are attach your mobile signature. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to your Gmail application in your mobile phone. Okay guys, here in your Gmail app, click the three line on the upper left side on your screen. Okay guys, here scroll down and find settings. Click this. Okay guys, here in settings, there are multiple Gmail here. So okay, select the Gmail you want to add a mobile signature. So okay guys, after you select the Gmail, okay, scroll down and find the general. So okay guys, in general, you can see the mobile signature. So click this and the pop-up will show. And okay guys, now we create the signatures. Okay, put here the signature. So okay guys, after you create the mobile signature, so click the OK. And okay guys, your mobile signature are ready to set in your every single email. So okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.